Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use media streaming in Windows 10. First, open the Start menu and search for Media Streaming options. This will bring up the control panel where you can manage your streaming settings. We will cover enabling the service, configuring device access, and sharing your media library. Get ready to enjoy your content on any compatible device in your home, whether it's a smart TV or another computer. To begin, navigate to the media streaming options within your control panel. You will see a prominent button labeled Turn on Media Streaming. Click this to activate the feature. Next, you can give your media library a unique name, which helps identify it on other devices. You also have the flexibility to either allow all devices to access your content or customize permissions for specific ones, ensuring your privacy and control. Once streaming is enabled, sharing your media is straightforward. Make sure your videos, music, or photos are organized within your Windows 10 libraries. To share, simply right-click on the specific file or folder you wish to stream. From the context menu, select Cast to Device, and then choose your target device from the list. Your content should then begin playing almost instantly on the selected compatible device, such as a smart television or game console. If you encounter any issues, first verify that both your Windows 10 computer and the receiving device are connected to the same home network. Sometimes, your firewall might be blocking the connection, so check its settings. Keeping your network drivers and Windows 10 updated can also resolve many common problems. A simple restart of your router and all involved devices often fixes minor glitches, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable media streaming experience across your home.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.